Sam.
And I'm Sam's mom.
Welcome
to Book Bites,
where we are what we eat and we eat what we read. I just finished reading Matilda. It's about a girl whose parents didn't let her go to school or read. Finally, they let her go to school, but she had a really mean principal, but a really nice teacher, and eventually she found out that she was psychic.
Inspired by Matilda, we are going to make Bruce Bogtrotter's chocolate cake. We got the recipe from this, Roald Dahl's Revolting Recipes. I'll open up to the page that it was on. Here.
So why are you excited to make this, Sam?
'Cause it's chocolate cake. Well, actually, this cake was a punishment in Matilda for Bruce Bogtrotter because he had to eat the whole thing. All of it. All of it. You need will be 8 ounces of high-quality semi-sweet chocolate, 1.5 sticks of butter, sugar, flour, and 6 eggs separated. You'll need both the whites and the yolks. The first step is to melt the chocolate. We're gonna put it through 30-second intervals through the microwave and stirring between each one until it's melted. After you melt your chocolate, you're gonna want to add in your butter and stir it until the butter melts. We chopped it up into little pieces so it will melt faster.
Put it in.
Mommy, I'm waiting so patiently.
Now we're gonna put our chocolate into our bowl. We're gonna add the sugar.
So 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons.
And that's a lot of sugar. Yay!
And then the flour, just 1/4 cup.
Not a whole ton of flour.
And the egg yolks. Action.
Next, we beat the egg whites until they're stiff. Next, we are going to put half of our egg whites into the chocolate and fold, and then do that same thing with the other half.
I think that looks good, Sam. Alright, and then to fold, you're going to take your spatula and kind of cut down the middle of the bowl. No, not like that. Good try, though. Right? You're going to cut and scoop. And that's how you fold. Cut and scoop. Because you don't want to get rid of all those nice air bubbles we just made. Here is our cake batter after we folded in all the egg whites. Next, we're going to put it into an 8-inch round cake pan that we have lined with wax paper and buttered.
Now we're going to put the cake in the oven for 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. Now we've let our frosting cool, so we can now put it on the cake. Don't dump it. You have to use a spatula to spread it out.
Why are you saying frosting in quotation marks, Sam?
Because it's actually a ganache. Ta-da! Well, this is Bruce Bogtrotter's chocolate cake. I'm really excited to eat it.
How is it, Sam?
Oh man, we put salt instead of sugar in it.
How chocolatey is it?
White and Grady.
Very!
Very.
It feels like it's not cake. It feels like it's chocolate frosting.
I liked reading Matilda because I thought it was cool because she could move things just by looking at them. And I also liked making this recipe from Roald Dahl's Revolting recipes. I highly recommend both of them.
Please like and subscribe to see our future videos.
And please leave ideas for books in the comments below.
Happy reading and eating!